Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to add your Amazon Prime Visa card to Google Pay. If you're tired of fumbling with your wallet or want seamless mobile payments, this is a game changer. It's super straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be set up and ready to go. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Google Pay app installed on your Android device. It's available on the Google Play Store. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download it now. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your Google account. This is crucial because Google Pay links directly to your Google profile. Next, head over to the main menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From there, select Payment Methods or Add a Card, depending on your app version. Now, you'll see an option to add a new card. Tap that, and enter your Amazon Prime Visa card details carefully. That's your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. Don't worry, Google Pay uses top-notch security to keep your info safe. After entering the details, Google Pay might ask you to verify your card. This could involve a small test transaction or a one-time code sent via text or email. Just follow the prompts to complete this step. It's quick and ensures everything's legit. Once verified, your Amazon Prime Visa will appear in your payment methods list. A few quick tips. If you run into any errors, double-check your card details or ensure your app is updated. Also, remember that not all cards work everywhere, so test it out with a small purchase first. And hey, if you have rewards tied to your Amazon Prime Visa, using Google Pay could help you earn points faster. There you have it. That's all it takes to add your Amazon Prime Visa to Google Pay. It's a simple way to make your daily transactions smoother and more convenient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.